Hello, YouTube captured, by the way. I don't know how long you've been in here, but you have the same color as some of us, so I might have gotten confused with one. Oh, finally. Okay. GG. One attempt? Holy hell. That was like such a good level. I love that level. It's like my favorite Extreme Demon probably, like after Napalm.